Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your oil in a Toyota Camry. First, gather all your supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and an oil filter wrench. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. It's also important to let the engine cool down for about 15 minutes to avoid burns. Now let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide under your Camry and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Find the old filter, which is typically a cylindrical canister. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew it. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, it's time to add the fresh oil. First, make sure the drain plug is securely reinstalled with its washer. Then, locate the oil filler cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 to 5 quarts for a Camry. Replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick. Also, look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.